1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning If You Were Vampires by Jason Isbell. It's got some really nice chords and a very interesting picking pattern with some really cool lines, which is really going to help you with your finger independence. If you want to download the PDF for this lesson, go check out the link in the description and then we'll get going. Alright, so let's start with the chords and then we go from there. So the chords of the song are E minor, the original is tuned down a full step to drop D, but Jason Isbell has a version where he plays it not tuned down. So you can go listen to that. The link for that will also be in the description. And then, so the chords are E minor, B minor. You don't have to bar with the index finger, you can just play the one note. And then C, G, mute the fifth string here with the ring finger. And then later in the song we use a D, and sometimes I like to use a D over F sharp chord. Okay. Then with the picking pattern, it is a simple pattern that repeats, but it gets a little tough. So the core thing about this pattern is, let me show you the one at the top. So the core thing about it, the pattern is the thumb pattern, which goes like this. On the E minor, and then the B minor, and then the C. Okay, so second part of the picking pattern, the second level, is to pinch using the middle finger and the thumb together on the first note. So if I do that, so I'm using my middle finger to play alongside the bass note. There I'm adding the second index finger, and then I'm adding the middle finger again. That's the whole pattern. So remember, your right hand is P, I, M, A, and we're just using these three fingers in the song. That's the main pattern. When you go to the D chord, the thumb does not do the alternating, it stays on the... And once you have that chord pattern, then we can start learning the song. Okay, so basically the song is very much focused on the chord, although there are some small little changes. So for the E minor part, you do this. So this is now for the verse and the intro. The way I would practice this first part is just to first start with and then play the melody separate. Three blind mice, three blind mice. That's actually the thing. So you want to play that melody while playing the chord. And then if you add the can really be a nice exercise. B minor is simple. The normal picking pattern. So if you can do that switch, then you're ready for the next one. And the C, you're going to actually move these two fingers down one string. You can use your ring finger there for the pinch if you wanted to. And the melody there is da, do, da. So it's a. So the main thing to keep in mind is to have your melody in your head, and then just to keep the bass going. Da, do, da, da, da. And the things in between are not that important. So. In the second part of the song, we're going to go to E minor again, but then pinch on the high E string. So this is now the part of the song that we're playing. So we did the E minor, B minor, C twice, and that's always the same in the verse and the intro. And then you do. That's what you do. Let's just play the melody. That's the melody. Da. Keep the E minor. And if you keep that with the melody, with the bass, that's a G chord, the last one. And then it's just a regular D. You don't even play the high E string. But the key is to just move chord by chord. So I would do on the E minor here on the second line of the verse, you would go. You know, kind of add parts of the melody as you're progressing with the chord, you know, the measure of that chord. So don't try the whole melody at once. That's why the way some people teach the song is to do like note by note. So it's like 6th string and then 4th string. You know, so it just becomes this linear kind of playing, which doesn't really teach you anything or make you a better musician. You might end up playing that song, but you won't get that finger independence. So I would like to say, rather just play one note of the melody and then 2 notes of the melody. You know, that kind of frees you up to start doing other things later on as you progress in your guitar playing. Okay, And that's it. And then in the chorus, it's just a basic, simple picking pattern. Just C. Okay, the strum pattern, if you want to strum the song, is so you go. You could do it like that as well. Cool, guys. Go join my community. Link in the description for that. And see you in the future videos. Goodbye.